Hi, my name is Muhammad Rashid Anhar and my metric number is 23005038. I will be presenting a simple explanation into understanding the borderline products in health technologies. So let's get started. So before we jump into the topic, we have to understand what is exactly health tech. Health tech or health technologies are all the tools we use to improve our health, which includes devices, medicines, vaccines, procedures, and also systems. These tools help to diagnose, treat, and prevent diseases, which basically means are all the tools we use to get better. Now, these tools can be further classified into their different ways of usage. In this Venn diagram, we can see that the health technologies can be classified into several different things. Our main goal is to understand how these tools can be classified into these categories in terms of their use and how they function. So let's get started. So let's focus on this green area first, which is the medical devices. So medical devices is actually any tool, equipment, or programs that is used to diagnose, prevent, or treat diseases, but it does not work through chemical action inside the body directly. One of the few examples of medical devices are actually assistive devices like wheelchair and hearing aids, and also PPE or personal protective equipment such as face masks. So these medical devices works physically or mechanically, but it does not work by changing the body's chemistry. Moving on in these blue areas here called medicine. Medicines is a substance taken directly inside the body and it helps to prevent diseases which acts chemically inside the body. However, here it gets tricky because there's areas in which it overlaps between medicine and also medical devices called combination products. Combination products works both ways, which acts as medical devices and also medicine at the same time. It just depends on which comes first. For example, medical gases can also be considered both a medicine and a device at the same time. So in summary, understanding these health techs, which are medical devices, medicines, and also combined products, is essential to better understand how these tools differ from others in terms of their use and how they function. Thank you.